There is a secret in the tech world that Apple doesn't want you to fully realize yet, and it has been quietly building over the past few years. For a long time, the iPad mini felt like the forgotten member of the tablet lineup, a device that would receive a small update and then disappear from the spotlight for years. It always seemed like it was stuck in a cycle of partial upgrades, getting a faster chip, but keeping an outdated display, or receiving a design tweak without any real leap forward. But now, as we move deeper into 2026, everything about that narrative is shifting in a dramatic way. The rules that once defined what a small tablet could or could not do are being completely rewritten. And if you have been waiting for the right moment to upgrade, this is the turning point you have been anticipating without even realizing it. The iPad mini 8 is not just another iteration. It represents a deliberate and aggressive move to redefine the compact premium tablet category. This is no longer about making something small and convenient. It is about delivering uncompromised performance in a form factor that fits into your everyday life with ease. For years, choosing a smaller tablet meant accepting trade-offs, whether it was in display quality, refresh rate, or raw power. That compromise is now being eliminated. The iPad mini 8 is shaping up to be a device that challenges the very idea that size dictates capability. And it is doing so with some of the most advanced technology Apple has ever put into a handheld device. One of the most significant changes begins with the display, and it is not a subtle improvement. For a long time, the iPad mini lineup was held back by LCD technology, which, while reliable, introduced limitations that users could not ignore. The infamous jelly scrolling issue became a symbol of those limitations, a subtle but noticeable distortion that reminded users they were not using Apple's best display technology. With the shift to OLED, that entire experience is being transformed. This is not just about better colors or deeper blacks. It is about fundamentally changing how the screen behaves. Each pixel lighting itself independently creates a level of precision and responsiveness that simply was not possible before, and it elevates everything from reading text to watching videos into a completely different league. The move to a 120Hz LTPO panel is equally important, if not more so. Smoothness is something that once experienced becomes impossible to give up, and bringing that level of fluidity to the iPad mini changes how the device feels in daily use. Scrolling becomes effortless, animations feel instantaneous, and interactions with the Apple Pencil become more natural and precise than ever. This is the kind of upgrade that does not just improve the device on paper, it changes how you connect with it on a tactile level. It turns the Mini into something that feels alive in your hands, responsive in a way that matches your intent without delay. But a display like that demands serious power behind it, and this is where the iPad mini 8 takes an even more ambitious leap. Instead of settling for a standard chip, it is expected to push forward with a pro-level processor that brings desktop-class performance into a compact form. This level of power is not just about faster app launches or smoother multitasking. It is about enabling entirely new workflows. Tasks that once required a laptop, from complex photo editing to advanced content creation, are now becoming possible on a device that you can hold in one hand. This shift is not just technical, it is philosophical. It suggests a future where the distinction between mobile and desktop computing continues to blur until it becomes almost irrelevant. Artificial intelligence plays a central role in this transformation. The new generation of on-device AI capabilities is designed to handle tasks that go far beyond voice commands or simple automation. We are talking about real-time content generation, intelligent summarization, and advanced editing tools that operate instantly without relying on the cloud. This means greater privacy, faster results, and a level of independence that changes how you think about what a tablet can do. The iPad mini 8 is not just keeping up with this trend. It is positioning itself as one of the most capable platforms for experiencing it. There is also a growing focus on gaming, and this is an area where the Mini has always had untapped potential. Its size makes it ideal for handheld play, but previous limitations in display and performance held it back from truly competing with dedicated gaming devices. With the new hardware, that barrier is being removed. High refresh rates, powerful graphics processing, and improved thermal efficiency combine to create a gaming experience that feels console-like in its responsiveness and visual quality. This is not just about casual games anymore. It is about immersive, high-performance experiences that can be enjoyed anywhere. Beyond the technical specifications, there is something deeper happening with this device. It represents a shift in how Apple views the role of the iPad mini within its ecosystem. Instead of being an afterthought or a niche product, it is becoming a central piece of a broader strategy that values portability without compromise. It is a device that fits seamlessly into multiple roles, whether you are using it for work, creativity, entertainment, or communication. It adapts to your needs, rather than forcing you to adapt to its limitations. The design is expected to reflect this new philosophy as well, with refinements that make the device feel even more premium and durable. Subtle changes in materials, weight distribution, and ergonomics can have a significant impact on how the device feels during extended use. When combined with the advancements in display and performance, these refinements contribute to an overall experience that feels cohesive and intentional. What makes all of this particularly compelling is the timing. The tech landscape is more competitive than ever, with new form factors and innovations emerging at a rapid pace. Foldable devices, compact gaming tablets, and hybrid systems are all pushing the boundaries of what is possible. In this environment, standing still is not an option, and the iPad mini 8 appears to be Apple's answer to that challenge. It is a statement that even the smallest device in the lineup can lead in innovation rather than follow. As you look ahead to the next few years, it becomes clear that this is not just about a single product release. It is about setting a new standard for what users should expect from a compact device. The idea that you have to choose between portability and performance is being dismantled, and the iPad mini 8 is at the center of that transformation. It is not just another upgrade cycle, it is a redefinition of the category. By the time you truly understand what this device brings to the table, it becomes difficult to see it as just another tablet. It is a glimpse into a future where power, intelligence, and design converge in ways that feel almost effortless. And once you experience that level of capability in such a small form, it is hard to imagine going back to anything less.